Christopher is here with us, stirring and about to sip one of my favorite things to use in my home. It's Lono Life, whether it's sipping or using it to cook, which I do both. This is a 12 single serve pack offer of the protein packed bone broth. We're offering them at a price of $24 in what we're calling the best of chicken or the best of beef. I love that you came up with. But you get in the best of chicken, original chicken, a mushroom chicken, and the sriracha chicken. And in the best of beef, you're getting the original beef, the Thai beef, and the sriracha beef. So it gives you lots of options on ways to use them or just to sip them. So I always love talking about the reason and why the Lono Life was created first, and then we'll talk about what it is.
Lono Life was created back in 2015. Our owner, Paul, it really is a story born out of love. His wife, Irene, who he really adores, became very, very sick. And he needed something that was going to be very nutritious for her, easy to sip on, easy to keep down. And he thought of bone broth, but the problem was they were going to so many doctor's visits, hospital stays. He needed something portable because traditional bone broth, you either have to keep refrigerated or frozen. So he said, let me figure out how to take bone broth on the go. And that is how Lono Life is born. But also being a foodie, him and his wife, he wanted to make it truly delicious. So he created these flavors that really bring you that hominess, but all the benefits. And those benefits being up to 10 grams of protein, collagen-rich protein per mug. So there's your nutrition. And then that just wonderful, soothing flavor of chicken or beef, sage, thyme, different flavors depending on what you pick.
Exactly. And here's the thing. If you love both the beef and the chicken, feel free to get yourself more than one, or start with one, get the auto delivery, and then if you decide to switch in the back end shipments, they're going to come every 60 days for a year. You can switch by calling customer service. So let's go through each one. And we'll start with the original beef or chicken, one of the originals.
Well, why don't we start with, we'll start with the chicken set, okay? And we'll begin with the original. So what's wonderful here, and the reason why you get so much protein and nutrition from bone broth as opposed to a can of soup or stock that you make at home is how long we simmer the bones. So in the case of the original chicken, we take bones from free-range chickens raised here in the United States. We simmer them more than 30 hours to draw out all that nutrition. And then we season it with what you know and love. Sage, thyme, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of sea salt. So it's those flavors that you know and love from a stock. Now our mushroom chicken uses the same base as the original, but what we do is we add 4 different types of mushrooms that in Western worlds really have a lot of people belief of a lot of like great aspects to it. So portobello, you know that. But also there's turkey tail, there's reishi, there's lion's mane. If you want to read about some of the benefits that people like those mushrooms for, please do so. They're amazing.
They add the umami. That's the flavor that you get with the mushrooms. That
rich,
real earthy kind of feeling.
Yeah, really wonderful. I think one of our boldest flavors, right? And then we have the chicken sriracha. So this is going to be our original chicken base, but with sriracha chili added to it. It is going to be a little spicy, but it's not going to burn your tongue off. All you're going to do is take one packet. I'm going to make a chicken sriracha right here, and then we'll go to the beef. You're going to dump it into a mug. By the way, the packets that are portable, take them with you wherever. They're good for 2 years. That's their pantry life.
Hot water, they dissolve really quickly.
And 8 to 10 ounces of hot water, and boom, again, 50 calories. But you're getting 10 grams of protein. You know, you're getting told, as at least I've been getting told as I'm aging, more protein in your diet, Stacey.
More collagen.
But it's also hard to think about eating a lot of meat. Sometimes I just don't want to eat a whole plate of meat, or I want to cut back on that. This is how I get my protein.
Let me tell you something. 2 weeks ago, when I was flat on my back, sick as a dog, this Lono Life helped to get me through, and I couldn't have chewed anything.
You don't want to, right?
And I'm not one to push away a meal, but when I was down, I was really down. This is the only thing that you could do, and I could drink. So then we have the beef, which gives you the original beef.
The original beef. Again, we're using beef bones from cattle raised here in the United States. They're grass-fed cattle. Sea salt, black pepper, sage, and thyme.
Okay.
Then we have my favorite, the Thai curry beef. So this one here is going to give you that real, like if you like Thai food,
Right.
those flavors. So you're going to have warm curry, sweet coconut, a little zesty ginger, and some black pepper. Don't think of it being spicy Thai. Think of it just being zingy. So
Okay.
maybe like a 2 on a scale of 1 to 10 in
Gotcha.
spice. And then
And
if
then
you
there's
do like
sriracha
both
beef.
flavors, there's your beef, sea salt, black pepper, and that sriracha chili.
Once again, I was talking with Alan before the show about this, and he was asking me why I love it. And I feel like it's the convenience, it's the richness of the flavor, it's the versatility, because you can sip
with it.
or you can cook with it. Honestly, if you haven't tried them, we encourage you to do so. The best of chicken or the best of beef, your choice. You get 12 of these, excuse me, for $24. That is M133601. And if you were to walk into my pantry right now, you would be shocked at how much Lono Life is in there.
I know you're a
Stocked.
fan, and we appreciate it. It is
Thank you.
good stuff. Thank you, Jane.
All right, thank you, Stacy. All right, time for a look at our today's special value.